Pairing your smartphone via Bluetooth is simple. Start by accessing the infotainment screen. Go to Settings on the infotainment screen and enable Bluetooth. On your phone, search for available devices and select your VW's system. A pin might appear on both screens. Confirm it to complete pairing. Once connected, you can make hands-free calls, sync contacts, and stream music from apps like Spotify. VW systems support Bluetooth Low Energy for stable connections and automatic reconnection. Newer systems allow multi-point pairing for up to 10 devices. For better audio, ensure your device supports aptX HD codec. If issues arise, enable Bluetooth on both devices and restart the infotainment system. VW navigation systems offer live traffic updates, points of interest, and route planning. Access navigation via the infotainment touchscreen or voice commands. VW uses its own Discover Media navigation or integrates apps like Google Maps. Features include geofencing for speed alerts and integration with VW's WeConnect services for fuel-efficient routing. For smartphone integration, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard on newer VW models. Simply connect your phone via Bluetooth to mirror its interface on the car's display. Apple CarPlay provides Siri integration and app access, while Android Auto offers Google Assistant. Ensure your phone is wirelessly charging for uninterrupted connectivity. If CarPlay or Android Auto doesn't connect, check Bluetooth settings and ensure the feature is enabled on both your phone and the car.